So we have a good understanding now of what a rational function is and what its graph looks like. So let's take a look at how we find the rule of a rational function. So same as usual, I'm going to give you a couple of steps to follow. I'm saying that the center of a hyperbola is located at 2 and 5, and the curve passes through the point 5 and 6. So my first step here is to find the coordinates of the center of the hyperbola and the coordinates of one other point. Well, that wasn't too difficult because I gave them to you. But in general, if I give you a picture of a graph, you need to be able to figure out the center of the hyperbola by figuring out where your two asymptotes are. Can't talk and write apparently. All right. So what do we know about this center point? Well, we know that it's our h and our k, and we're going to use this as an x and a y. So we're going to substitute the coordinates h and k and the coordinates x and y into our rule f of x is equal to a over x minus h plus k. So my value of y is 6. I have my value of a as an unknown. I'm going to solve for it. Over x, so 5, minus my value of h, which is 2, plus k, which is 5. So I'll solve for this here. I'll do it down below. So I'm going to have to subtract a 5 from both sides, and that leaves me with 1 is equal to a over 5 take away 2, which is 3. So my value of a ends up being 3. So my final answer, my rule f of x is 3 over x minus 2 plus 5. And every other example is going to follow along with that. As long as we're comfortable simplifying, it's going to be really easy to find the rule of any rational function.